Ramogi mesa mar weche mag ohala ni kambi mar nyuo kuong mano East African Breweries koro ne olando yuto margi odok piny kod atamalo 21 nyaka shillings bilion 12 ka kambino ywago medruok e nengo mwandu magitiyogo kaachiel kod osuru mijuogo e kuong. Jaratije mar kambino Jen Karuku bende ne owacho ni pek mar ngima bende omiyo thoth oganda odonje kungo maduoko chien metho. EABL kata kamano singo ni pod gibiro medo tiyo kod jopur ma pacho ka ma usonegi bel kod mwandu mamoko magitiyogo.
We had the worst drought in a very, very long time. I think I saw it written somewhere that over the last 10 years, it was the worst drought. So we saw our grain inputs, sorghum and barley, go up in price by 31%. Logistics costs driven by petrol and other factors grew by 14%. Electricity, I think, went up by 40%. And we are such a heavy consumer of power in the business. And then neutral spirit, if you think about spirits, we use something we call ethanol or ENS, or grade neutral spirit. It went up by 61%. So imagine these COGS. So I talked about excise increase being very heavy in F23. I talked about drought. And then it's super laid by all these costs of inputs. And there's one more which is not here, which was the cost of glass. We saw Kenya put an excise tax on glass at the rate of 25%. So I'll describe the costs side of the business as a very, very big storm that really hit us, and we were not able to cover a lot of these costs with our pricing.
Piny Kenya kaachiel kod piny Uganda oketo kokgi e winjruok mabiro riwo kanyakla